If you're thinking about buying BdThemes for your website, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether BdThemes is the right fit for you and how it compares to other competitors in the space. First off, BdThemes is known for its powerful, user-friendly WordPress themes and plugins, but it's not just for anyone. It's important to understand what sets it apart from others. One of the main things that make BdThemes stand out is its extensive customization options. Unlike some other theme providers that restrict design flexibility, BdThemes allows you to personalize your site down to the smallest details. Whether you're building a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, the level of customization here is a huge benefit. But keep in mind, it may take a bit longer to get everything just right, especially for beginners. Next thing to consider is the compatibility. BdThemes is generally compatible with most major WordPress plugins, which is a huge advantage. However, there are still a few limitations. Some more niche plugins may not work as seamlessly, so if you're relying on something highly specific, make sure to test it out before fully committing. For many users, the included plugins will cover most needs, but it's always good to know the potential limitations. The third thing you should know is the theme support. BdThemes offers decent customer support, but when compared to industry leaders like ThemeForest or Elegant Themes, it might fall a bit short. The community is active, and you'll find a lot of helpful tips in forums, but response times can vary. If you're someone who needs top-tier 24/7 support, you might want to take that into account before purchasing. The fourth thing is speed and performance. BdThemes is optimized for fast loading times, but here's the thing. Like many premium themes, it can get bogged down with too many customizations or heavy plugins. If you're aiming for the fastest load times, make sure to optimize your site well after installation. This is a common issue for almost all WordPress themes, but it's worth mentioning because speed directly impacts your SEO and user experience. Next thing to understand is pricing. BdThemes offers one-time payments for lifetime access to themes and plugins, which is a great deal when compared to subscription-based models offered by other providers. That said, if you need frequent updates and premium support, those could come with additional costs. When compared to competitors like Astra or GeneratePress, BdThemes' pricing is more competitive, especially if you're after the all-in-one package. But do keep in mind that you may be investing more upfront. Another thing to note is the pre-built demo sites. BdThemes provides an impressive variety of demo templates, which makes it easier for you to get started. These demos can be imported with just a few clicks, saving you time if you want a quick setup. However, while the demos are versatile, some users feel that they're not as customizable as the marketing materials imply. You might need to dive deep into the theme settings to really make your site unique. The final thing you should know is the overall value. For the price, BdThemes offers a lot, especially in terms of features and flexibility, but it's not perfect. Compared to competitors like Elementor or WP Bakery, it doesn't offer as extensive a visual editor experience. If you're someone who relies heavily on drag-and-drop simplicity, other themes might serve you better. To wrap things up, if you want to try out BdThemes, click the first link in the description to get the best offer and try it completely free with some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on the opportunity to test it out for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your website.